Hey guys, how you doing today? This is Marc from Kleen-Rite. I'm with my good buddy Keith Guillott from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. How you doing today, Keith?
Doing great, Marc. Welcome.
Keith owns Bozeman Distributors, which is a great Kleen-Rite partner and distributor. Keith also owns car washes, and we're here today to talk about a car wash rehab that Keith performed in the last, 4 months?
It was August, mid-August.
Keith, what made you get to this point where you said, hey, I need to do something?
Well, I had an old dated car wash. I purchased this location, Marc, back in 1998. I was a third owner. It was built in 1993, so I was 5 years old when I purchased the wash. Over the years, I've basically put lipstick on a pig, but not quite enough to make a grand new presentation. So,
what made you think you can raise your game? I know you guys came to Kleen-Rite. You had a visit. You toured some modern sites with more functions. You know, white walls. You know, good lighting. What was the thought process when you saw all that?
Actually, I knew this location was tired. It needed a lot of updating. We visited the factory and several self-serve facilities. I saw the white extrude walls. I saw air dryers, ceramic wax. I saw foamy tire brush, and I needed a lot of updating.
On a high level, because nobody really likes to talk numbers, let's talk percentages.
Sure.
Okay,
sure.
So you owned it for 20, almost 30 years, and you were doing X. Are we, when you did the upgrades, A, what was the customer comments and experiences like? B, what was your experience as an owner?
Sure.
And C, was this a 2X, 3X, 1.5X?
We've, since the CryptoTap and swipers and bill acceptors in the bays, we've pushed the income about
%. Okay, and then
and that's over a 3-month period, but it certainly looks like we're going to do better than that.
right, and the ROI was there. And I remember you commenting, you were count down, you raised your price a little bit,
Sure.
and now you're count up, and you're seeing your average ticket, it went up a good bit.
It skyrocketed. The going from count down to the count up timers was a game changer. The CryptoTap, I find they use the tap probably 80%.
Yeah.
More than the swipe, and it's truly been a game changer.
Yeah.
What I do find with the count up timers, it's the customer's not rushed.
Right.
So
they're taking their time.
They're taking their time.
They're not rinsing and dashing.
They're not dashing.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And with a beautiful white bay, with all new brushes and new handles and new signage, you got the tire brush, you've got the foam wax, you've got foam brush. He's given lots of chemical, a nice big shaving cream. We're not holding back on chemical here. Keith is not 100% concerned about chemical costs. He wants the customer to have an experience. And he did a great job of that. I know at night, this place lights up like a Christmas tree. I was by it last night. So Louisiana, you know, what's the market like in Louisiana? Can other people do what you did? I mean, it actually seems like a pretty simple recipe.
It is. Louisiana, there's still a very strong self-service market. We do have a lot of in-bay automatics. We have a lot of tunnel washes.
You have a lot of tunnel competition.
A lot of tunnel competition. Years ago when I purchased this facility, we had actually 4 self-serve car washes in a 4-mile stretch with about totaling close to 30, 35 bays.
Wow.
So there was a lot of competition back in the day, but the self-serve market is still very strong.
It's very strong. I remember when you and Brian and Ross came to Pennsylvania, and there was some hesitation, right?
Yes, sir.
Can we do this? Would a price adjustment pay for the investment?
Return.
Do you feel like it worked out?
Absolutely.
I love it. Well, Keith, thank you so much for being a great distributor and a great customer, and for being a great friend for, almost 15, 18 years.
Easy.
All right, buddy.
Thank you, Marc.
See you on the next one.
Yes, sir.